Hi, this is Natasha, and welcome to my channel. Or welcome back if you've been here before. Well, makeup is a passion, and so is fashion. Today's haul is showing you my Mother's Day gift that I got from my son, my mother, Rulala, and Guilt. So let's start off with the gift that my mom got me, because she got me this here, which is a ballerina perfume bottle, as you can see, in the ballerina moves. So not only did she give me this, but she also gave me some cash. Isn't this adorable? I've never, ever seen anything like this before. And it dances. Isn't that something? Let's see, let's wind it. Let me wind it, see if it'll move around, because I love this. This is worth, now I spent upwards of $375 or $65 worth on perfumes. This is better than any that I have ever bought. This is worth that and more. Look at that. And it isn't that just adorable? That is so cute. I don't know where she found this at, but I like it. I even told her I had to get in touch with her ASAP to let her know that I liked this. And the perfume smells good. Of course, I won't be using it because I'm gonna cherish just too much to use it. I love this. I don't know where she got this from. She said she got it off the internet, but she won't tell me exactly where from, and I haven't asked her either. I like it. Isn't that just adorable? Anywho, alright, moving along. Guilt sent me this for Mother's Day, and it's a luxury poster or picture that you hang up on the wall. And I thought this would go good in the makeup room. And this is what it looks like. It's got Chanel, Dior, Louis Vuitton, Hermes, and Gucci and Chanel. And this is what it looks like on the back, so you can hang it up on the wall. It's like a picture. And this is the one that Rulala sent me. I got to pick them out myself. And I like this one. This is my favorite one out of all that I picked. And this is like the I think it was called Dine for Fashion or something like that. And it's so cute. So thank you to them for sending this to me for Mother's Day. Now, my son got me some gifts. And I love what he got me. He let me pick them out myself. And I like what he got me for Mother's Day. Let's start with the clutch. So cute. Now this is a clutch that's in the shape of a camera. And this is what it looks like. And this costed a pretty penny. It was very expensive. So it looks like from this side, the bottom, the side of it, the other side, which is still the same thing. I love it when a purse is got something on the other side just like it does on the front side. I don't like it when it has something on the front and nothing on the back. I love it when it's completed all the way through, like it used to be done back in the old days. Isn't this just gorgeous? Let's see if I can open this with one hand. How do I get into it? I'm trying to see how I can get into. Oh, there we go. And this is what it looks like in the inside. It comes with the gemstones just in case some falls off. There'll be some more there. Okay. Comes with a cord, but this is not going to be cross-bodied by any means. As you see, it doesn't come with any pockets in the inside. And this will not fit a cell phone. I already tried. Um, and I don't have an Apple. I have a regular Android phone, and it's a small Android phone. And I know that when I first bought it, it said it would fit an Android phone. That's a lie. It didn't. It doesn't. But I still like it nonetheless. As they say, you can hold your Android phone in your hands. But I love this clutch. This is just so pretty. It's so gorgeous. Oh my goodness, when I saw this, I was like, I just got to have this. I was like, son, this is what I want for Mother's Day. And he's like, get whatever you want. I was like, are you sure? He's like, get whatever you want, Mom. And this is what I picked out. I just love it. Man, I just love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Isn't it just gorgeous? Okay, let's put it back. And this is the box that it came in. Hey, so then he didn't just stop there. He also got me some earrings in the ring, uh, uh, finger ring. And this is the zebra with green eyes. Isn't this pretty? Okay. Then he also got me these. All these earrings are for him for Mother's Day, and he let me pick them out. And this is how it looks. Isn't it just pretty? Now I'm gonna have to say this is one of my favorites out of all of them that he got me. I have like 3 favorites in this. Here's the other ones. See if we can bring it a little closer. Alright. And like I said, he did let me pick these out myself. This is the daisy ring because I have a daisy necklace that goes with this Juicy Couture daisy necklace that'll go with this for the summer. I have a daisy dress that just should go perfectly with and with the daisy necklace. And this is adjustable size, so it's an open size basically. Right, and this is another one. And this is what it looks like. And so this is my second favorite one. The little pearls. Isn't that just so pretty? I just love them. See if we can bring them closer. That's what it looks like. Isn't it just so pretty? When I saw these, I just fell so in love with them. I just knew I had to have them. And last but not least, these is my third favorite ones. Just gorgeous. So, this is them. Well, my Mother's Day gifts was just so perfect. I just loved everything I received. Everything was just mwah, perfect. So, with that, depends on when you're watching this. You have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night. God bless.